Gav, absolutely outstanding performance from your side tonight. Does that show what they can be capable of?
Yeah, fair dues to them, mate. I thought the work ethic, the togetherness, the discipline, I thought, yeah, the boys were on it, and fair dues to them. You know, if that third chance goes in and that's a 3-1, I think we might have scored another one after. But they've got so much quality, mate, and if you don't take them chances, unfortunately, they'll come back. But if you would have said before the game, we'd take a 2-2 draw, Jesus Christ, of course I would have.
And the 2 goals were scored by 2 local players who joined in the summer. Does that show the culture that you're trying to build within the club, bringing the local players in as well as some quality players from outside?
I think the key one is, you know, there is a togetherness. I think you can see that. 6 local boys in that team again tonight for the first time in a long time against TNS. The amount of people around the area, you know, thinking that we're going to get thumped tonight, and fair dues, they've rolled their sleeves up, they've worked their socks off on, and when you do put a performance out like that, that's what you get from it. And I can't quote them, to be honest. I think they've been absolutely brilliant tonight in every aspect, just not from 1 to 11, to the whole management, to all the way through. And you know, there was a structure to us, and you know, it could have gone either way at the end, I've got to be honest. But same thing again, that's football.
Well, that's actually the first 2 goals that the New Saints have actually conceded this entire league season. That must make you really proud of it's your team who's done that tonight.
Yeah, I think the key one is that we are creating chances. We're creating a lot of chances, even to the point of Bala last week. Yes, you know, we had a few defensive issues, but you've got to look at it. We did cause a little bit of problems when we start passing the football. We played a specific way tonight, which and trying to get that ball down the channels, and it worked well for us. Same thing again. Look, 2-2. We got a draw against TNS, and I'm a very happy man.
And just finally, a word for Alex Pennock, who came in today and deputised for Connor Roberts. I thought his performance was really, really good. You must be really pleased with how he performed tonight.
Yeah, I think it's always going to be difficult when you're playing against. We've still all got nightmares from last year, but he's a character, mate, and fair dues to the boy. He's come in, he's spoke, he's punched, he's kicked, he's done everything, to be honest with you. I think I've kicked every ball with him tonight. But overall, you're looking at our back four, mate, and look at the age group. I've had to bring John in, basically at 39 years old. He's popped up with a goal for me, and again, a local player. You know, I can't say, you know, too much about everybody tonight. I think they've all been absolutely fantastic.
Okay, that's great, Gav. Well done tonight. Absolutely brilliant. Thanks for your time.